Another gorgeous commode or dressing, which is a typical French work of art. It has a three drawers or the drawer, which we call in French, and as you can see, the handles are of brass and they are basically oxidized and turned almost black. So we will try to restore the original color of brass, and we will be using one product which is available in France and might be available also in other part of the world, and we'll see that how this brass is going to turn into bright brass or it will remain the same. Let's shake the bottle well. Take a small plastic container and pour a bit of it into it. Close the lid so that if it falls down, it's not wasted. And then by using the normal old used brush, you can just put a bit of this stuff onto all that parts which are of brass but they have lost their color. And then leave them for about 10 minutes at least, so that the chemical reaction, which is basically deoxidization, that takes place easily, and then we see that what we will be doing to remove this one, and then we'll see that whether it's again the color is restored or it's not. After around 10 minutes, you take water in a bucket, and then you can pull this out, which is still, and then just give it a gentle wash with as much water as possible so that it is clean. Now you see whenever you feel that there are certain positions where your hand cannot go, just use normal brush, use one brush so that it could reach to the those parts where your finger or the cloth cannot reach. Rub them gently. You don't have to push very hard because this case is relatively easy, and I think that the brass is getting its original color almost back. We're done with the cleaning. Now it's the time to do some wood renovation. So this is a solution which is available in the market. Renovateur Boyo Passant Cat. This is in fact a liquid which is a bit of a yellow in shape, but it is a wonderful polish of the wood, which in fact give it a luster and also make the wood very strong. So you see, this way you can have a normal brush and just gently paint all those areas, almost all the areas of your this beautiful dresser. And now you can see also the luster which is coming out of this beautiful handle. Is no more black at all. They are all beautiful yellow, pale yellow, like that, like the one. And now you will see that the wood will also gain its original color and also the texture with this polishing. You can use normal brush which is available in the stationery children brush also. There's no need to do anything special about it. You just brush it gently, and then you will see that you have restored the entire mode.